I'm Laura Mae Martin, Google's Productivity Advisor, here to show you how to work your space in Google Workspace. Today, we'll show you how to create tasks in Google Docs that automatically show up in your Google task list. Let's get started. In a doc, type the @ sign and checklist. Then, hover your mouse to the left of the checkbox and click the Add to Tasks, or use the shortcut by typing @task directly into the doc. From there, you can assign the task to yourself or another person and add a date. The task will link directly back to the document, and the assignee will be notified via email. Assign a task to yourself and it will show up on your own task list. The task can be checked as complete from either your task list or the doc, and its status will be updated in both places. So there you have it. Create tasks within Docs in one easy step.